This video is meant to be a quick introduction to Daylight, the new instance of eLearn that will become effective in May 2018. This is the page you see when you log into eLearn, and hopefully you see some familiar buttons. First, you have Walter State Resources, which will now house My WS and Senator's Mail, as well as current students. You have Guides, which will now house Brightspace Help. You have downloads that you had before, and then you had the same system check that you had before. In the old version of eLearn, you had the option to select a course. That option is still available, only it is a set of boxes here that will allow you to choose courses that are pinned, as well as search for course offerings that you have. And as you see, if you scroll down, this is a pretty long list you have to choose from. Much like the old eLearn, you have email, you have your subscription alerts, and then you have update alerts. You also have your personal information as well as settings. Scrolling down, just like in the older version of eLearn, you have your courses listed here. You may choose to view all courses, and again, you have the same searchability that you had in the last version of eLearn. The difference here is when you look at My Courses, you will see a picture above your course. This picture can be personalized, and it can also become the banner inside your individual course if you choose to turn it on. And to turn it on, you click on the three buttons here, and you go to Course Offering Information, and you have the option to display the image in a banner on the course homepage. So you check mark that box and you click Save. And then after that is saved, you will be able to click those three buttons again and change the image. You can use images here, you can search for images, or you can upload your own image. So you can create an image or upload an image, and that becomes what you see here. But then when you click in the class, that also becomes the course banner, and it can be personalized per course. Once you are inside of eLearn, you will see the same information with merely a new look. You have the news item that was on the old course homepage. Instead of the small green book that takes you to the course homepage, you now have Course Home. Under Assessments, the same information. Under Course Information, also the same. Course Tools, the difference is that Class List has been moved to the top instead of being placed under Checklist. In Communication, you will notice that the News option is gone. To use news, you come to the course homepage. Your Edit Course is still there, and underneath More, you're going to see the same links that you saw on the course page when you logged in. If we look more specifically at these items, you will see that the items themselves are much the same, only with an updated look. If I go to Quizzes, you'll see the same thing. Everything's still there and it has the same functionality. It's just a cleaner look. Content is also going to offer the same information with a little bit more of an updated view. You still have your modules here, you still have the content, the same ability to make changes to that content. Overall, Daylight, the new instance of eLearn, offers you the same tools using the same processes, only with a slightly newer look. The purpose of this change is to make eLearn more usable for mobile devices such as cell phones and iPads and other tablets.